Alright, this is just a real quick introduction to using the Place Library object tool. It'll allow you to create your own toolbar that has library objects in it. And one of the uses is wall types. You can put wall types in the library. Chief even has a bunch already in there. And then you can place them on a toolbar, and then when you're drawing a plan, they're really easy to select. You don't have to change things. You don't have to find them in the library. So I'm just going to right click on a toolbar, customize toolbars, and you've got all your tools in here. And so I'm going to place library object. You can just take this and drag it. You can drag it to an open space here, and you'll get a toolbar that floats. You can grab this and place it up here. For some reason, it won't place right here, and it should. It'll place right up here, and I can take it and I can drag it down there. And you can place multiples. And if you drag it over here, you can see it works now. But if you drag it over here, it'll create a new toolbar. If you want to get rid of this, click and hold and just drag it back into this dialog. So you can choose this, and if you drag it over here on top of this one, it'll add one to that toolbar. Same thing up here. You can come up here, and now you've got a floating toolbar that you can move around. You can dock. You can do all kinds of things with it. So I'm gonna do this and get rid of that toolbar. Now the other thing you can do is set up a new configuration. So I'm in the default configuration right now. And if you go to toolbar, view type is plan. So I can come down here and custom place library object toolbar is on in plan view. So I can uncheck that, and you can see up here it goes right away. Check it back. I can do that. What you can also do is create your own configuration. So you can copy. I'm just going to call this wall. Say OK. And close. And then you can right click up here, toolbar configurations. You can see this is checked, so I'm in the wall. I can go up here to default. And so you can reconfigure your toolbar. So if you're drawing walls or something, or doing plumbing or kitchens, or you've already got a kitchen configuration over here. But you can customize this toolbar so only the icons, the tools up here you need are visible. So to populate this, just click on it, go to the library. Just going to search for wall and see what comes up. You can put any of these things up there. Alright, here's a bunch of here we go. Alright, here's a bunch of walls. So I want to put a concrete stem wall. And it gives me a choice of what the icon's going to look like. So I'm going to pick the 3D representation. Say OK. Do the same thing over here. I'll go into my user catalog. I'll do the same thing again. So I can just choose a wall type and draw. So it makes drawing walls really quick, or placing anything, you know, fixtures, furniture, whatever.